What's going on, guys? My name is RJ with Xprite. Today we're going to show you how to install our new Subaru Fog Lights, which fit 15 plus WRX, STI, and Crosstrek with some applications for impresses. First, we're going to start off by removing these bolts and clips using a 10mm socket. You can also use one of these clip tools or a flathead screwdriver. Once you're finished, you should have 6 bolts and 3 clips. Next, you're going to want to take off 6 clips which are located underneath the bumper. Once that's completed, you're going to want to just pop the bumper right off. Be careful not to pull out too far, because you're still going to need to unclip these lights. Once your bumper's off, go ahead and unclip all of your lighting. Next, you're going to want to remove your stock fog light, held in place by 2 Phillips screws. Alright, once you have everything installed, just go ahead and simply plug everything back in and you're ready to go.